has announced its latest residential project in Ghatkopar East in Mumbai. The project will be delivered over the next 4 years, and it has the potential to generate revenues of 1,200 crore rupees, according to the company. The stock closed with just a minor gain of about 0.75% yesterday, but it did close at a fresh 52-week high. To talk about the prospects about this particular project in Ghatkopar East with a potential of 1,200 crore rupees, we're now joined by Manan Shah, the MD of Man Infraconstruction, on the show. Manan, morning. This is Reema here. You've given us the revenue potential. Can you tell us what the project cost is over the next 4 years? What are the kind of realizations you're likely to make on this and the timeline of execution?
Good morning. So we expect this project to get completed in approximately around 3 to 4 years of timelines. And it's going to be launched into multiple phases where it consists of approximately around 11 towers, and the carpet area sellable is around 4 lakh square feet. We're expecting a top line of around 1,200 crores to come in from the same. And we expect the cost to be approximately anywhere between around 1,000 crore to 900 crore.
Okay, and the expected realizations?
So it should be approximately starting by next year, which is the third quarter of next year. So the project shall commence soon in the last quarter of this financial year. And we're expecting the realization in the third quarter.
All right. Manan, I think on a realization per square foot, just mathematically, it appears you're looking to sell this project at around 30,000 rupees per square foot. I think that will be the rough vicinity out there. Tell us more about the way you see the company evolving. Earlier you were doing a lot more EPC. Now real estate and EPC is 50% apiece. So what's the direction going ahead? What is more profitable? Because shareholders would like to know that. And also, since we're focusing on real estate, what is your unsold inventory as of now?
So we started real estate approximately around 10 years back with the vision to add a lot more portfolio of the real estate side of it. And now, like you said, there's 50-50 books of EPC and real estate both. The future, what we're seeing of the company is definitely we are more aggressive. We're picking up more and more projects in the real estate side of it. And at the same time, the EPC order book is also strong. And what we are anticipating is we've picked up a couple of new projects, which is at Tarde, which is going to be launching in the next couple of months. We've picked up another project, which is at Villeparle. And we've launched the second phase of our Dahisar project. So approximately around 2.6 million square feet is the upcoming pipeline in the next 2 to 3 years of time, where we are anticipating nearly around 5,000 crores of top line revenues to start coming in. And talking about the future, we're seeing a strong sales happening in the past continuous years. And even currently, the unsold inventory in all of our projects has been almost negligible, which is already launched in the past, where the inventory ranges between, unsold remains between 10 to 25% at the most.
Okay, Manan, hi, good morning. I just have a quick, you said 30,000 rupees per square foot, right, in Ghatkopar. Your projects are all in Bombay, right, Manan?
Yes, everything is in MMR.
Okay. Have prices kind of flattened out when, basically between, there used to be a difference between prices, in South Mumbai, Central Mumbai, suburbs. It seems like there are, of course, still pockets of big variation, but generally have prices kind of flattened out. 30,000 rupees in Ghatkopar, there are projects, Central Mumbai, which are commanding that much, even, town side. So I just wanted to get a sense from you. What's happening?
So basically, from western suburb to central suburb and central to the south, we are seeing there is a big price variation, like where Tarde project, like we mentioned, we're expecting a total sales value of more than 3,000 crores coming in next 5 to 6 years of time. And Ghatkopar, we are seeing a 1,200 crore top line, which is say 30,000 rupees a square foot. But these numbers are on conservative basis. If the market seems more supportive, the prices might even increase furthermore, which is highly anticipated. And regarding flattening of the prices, we have experienced a price hike happening, especially post-COVID, because the demands of the housing sector especially for the luxury side, has gone pretty high. So we have actually not experienced a flattening of price in any of our projects. We are seeing a price hike of at least 10 to 12% happening year-on-year basis at all of our projects.
Manan, can you give us the picture then, some numbers on an aggregate basis for FY24? Last year, you all did 5 projects, 3 residential, plus you delivered 2 commercial projects. What would the similar number stand for? How many projects in FY24?
So we're expecting a similar and a stable income in the next coming year as well. And
so
in
5?
terms of 5 projects, we can say that we will be able to, because there are a lot of projects where half phases were launched. So we would be launching the other phases of those projects as well, like Dahisar, for instance. So if you count it as project-wise, it would be lesser than 5. But if you count launch point of view, yes, we would be able to launch in 5 launches.
So what about in terms of collections? Last year, your collections were about 1450 crore and you generated a sales of about, I think, 992 crore for the real estate business. And you sold about, I think, 4.4 lakh square feet. What would those numbers stand at for FY24? Collections, the overall sales value, and the carpet area sold.
So we're expecting a sales value of sales carpet area of around 5 to 6 lakh square feet, because we would be launching approximately around 1 million square feet in the coming year, where all of these multiple projects would be launched. But we expect at least 50% sales happening confidently in these projects, and the top line would vary accordingly as the project pricing per square foot is different for each.
Okay, all right. So in comparison to last year of around 4.4, this year you're saying you'll do at least close to 5.5 to 6 lakh square feet, right?
Yes.
All right. Final question then, Manan, before we let you go. Any fundraising plans that you have? You have ambitious, projects that are coming on stream, but you have an enabling resolution to raise some money. Will you be looking to raise some money, or you're comfortable and you don't need that?
So to acquire the projects, we've actually got surplus liquidity. So we wouldn't be requiring any kind of money to acquire any of these projects. It's still a good cash liquid company, and we've also got zero debt at the holdco level. So debt would be required only if construction finance is required at the subsidy level at any of these particular projects.
Manan, we leave the conversation here. Thank you very much for joining in and wish your Ghatkopar East project all the very best. Slip into a break. As we do that, let me tell you what's lined up for the next half an hour on the show today. Coming up, Anuj will be joining in for a quick trade setup. Post that, we'll bring you top stock picks for the day from our technical and F&O experts. Later, we'll decode the stock rally with our Momentumizer segment. At 9:10, Nimesh will be here with the standout brokerage report of the day. And before market opens in CNBC-TV18 Stockport, we'll highlight the top stocks and news to focus on for the day.